second. And I think I'm gonna try this color's chrome. Real springy. Hey Ali, only 15. What is only 15? What's only 15 money back? Let me see, I missed something. 15 seconds already, so I'm gonna using this chrome and give a little bit of the pigments. I'm gonna rub it right on these colors. Really interesting. I love it. It looks so stunning already. And I rub it really nice and to make sure it's grip it really nicely on the nails. Great. I'm going to dust that off. Close this, everyone, so you don't have happen to spill. This is really stunning green for Easter. And my unicorn brush, I'm gonna dust it all that excess pigments off. Got missing one spot here. There you go. I can't see from far away, but hey, I can see it now. Feel like I'm missing it. Don't worry, because I'm gonna put some Diamond Dust Pixie on the bottom. Next, I am going to using condensed glue gels. Where's my condensed glue gel? I've been moving my office back and forth though. Oh, hi Rose now. Happy Friday from Canada. Thank you, Tony. I'm doing well. How are you? Miranda, Dajo Digits. Hey, Merry Christian. $15. Money back, no wipe here for 15 seconds before I put the chrome. Yes, you are absolutely correct. And I am going to using condensed glue gels. And got a twin tip brush right on my side. It's really thick density, so each time you're just using just good amount of it. But I am going to apply this whole and tie the nails. You feel like this one is too bright. No wipe top coat on the top. Oh, I'm beating it up really bad. And floating on the top of the condensed glue gel. All right, so I have right here and my butterfly, not butterflies, I would say flowers. Cherry blossom. You can do it like this, or you can do so many different ways. I'm gonna do this one because I'm going to do some Diamond Dust Pixie. This is really awesome, simple, pretty for beginners. And I just want that part. Open this Diamond Dust Pixie. And gently sprinkle right. Tap it. Keep them really nice and tight together. A piece of paper. It's really nice. I really like that. I'm gonna add just one more crystal up here. If you want to add more, I think on the chrome side you can, but I think I like it like this. Unless you want to put some like butterflies or something like this, but I think it looks so stunning like this by itself. Here for 60 seconds now, everyone. That's good. And whatever is the remaining, I'm gonna pour it back into the bottle for future use. Hey Jennifer, Glamorous, Julie. That's good. Thank you, Dejo, Digis. I know, it's like we have so many colors. I would do every single of them with Diamond Dust Pixie. I would do 3 of them in Diamond Dust Pixie, but in a different way. This one. I'm going to showing that color yellow, and I am going to using this. So much fun. Great, so that's one is 60 seconds are done. So I am going to double secure my crystal and Diamond Dust Pixie by using a precision glue. This is, I'm so pleased with this, and it become my really good friends for crystal placement. So I'm gonna do is really gently check is will actually do amazing work that is will fill in any gap and edges between the crystals. And I'm gonna do more important, like if a lot of you were asking like why I do Diamond Dust Pixie, it's keep popping up. If you missing like putting a top coat on and just the glue only, so it might looks okay when it applies on, but it might be looks dirty, like between each Diamond Dust Pixie it might look dirty because it still have a sticky layer of condensed glue gel. So that's why if you put the top coat on, top coat between top coat and condensed glue gel will suck your Diamond Dust Pixie as well as your crystal flat back 3D charm chains in one place. I'm using a twin tip brush to blend out the extra precision glue, and I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds, and this nail will be done. Great. Make sure you close the red cap. And I am going to using other colors. Again, no white top coat. I'm gonna apply it and get it cure in 15 seconds. Too much. 15 seconds. Okay, make sure my hand is the right spot. This one is so beautiful. We got a really quick, you know, like simple, easy first nails with chrome, diamond dust, pixie, crystal placement. It's really nice. I really like that one. Body show.